Hi, this is Victor, the Director of Content with BlueDAG. Today we're going to go over how to use our Fast Finder tool. Once you log into BlueDAG, if you scroll down here to the bottom and click on Fast Finder, the Fast Finder code search page will load. Here we can look up keywords that show up within a standard or code, or even use this tool as a standard comparison. Let's take a look at how that works. So first, under the standards bar, go ahead and tap there and type in the standard you want to use. Next, over here in the search bar, you can type in a keyword. The table will load with sections that mention grab bars and text that mention grab bars. Now, the table will provide you with 100% matches for your key search word, grab bars, and sometimes it'll just provide you partial matches if the text, for example, contains the word grab or just the word bar. So just keep that in mind. Now, within your browser, you can use the search feature and search other key terms within your search results. So, for example, on this one here, 607.6, we are looking at the shower spray unit and water section of showers. You have the height, but you can see it's not really related to the grab bar usage, but the key terms of grab bars were in there. So now we can search other. So essentially what we're doing now is we're having two searches in one. The first search is for our grab bar, and then the second search is for our height. So now we can go through these sections and see which citation applies and also what the text behind that citation is. So for example, let's take a look at position of grab bars. Here we go. The height of the lower grab bar on the back wall of the bathtub should comply with 607.4.1.1. Okay, so what you can do is take that, copy. Now what we'll do is we'll close our search and we'll come in here to our key term bar and paste. Now you know exactly what we're looking for, and it'll bring that up. And it also brought up section 609.4 where it was mentioned originally. Now that we have these sections here, we can see that grab bar should be installed within these ranges. 8 inches minimum to 10 inches maximum above the brim of the bathtub. And that's according to the 2010 ADAS. Now let's compare this standard with the building code here in California, for example. We're going to go ahead and select the 2019 CVC, Chapter 11B. And automatically, Fast Finder will search for our section here in both. Now we see here that this is the 11B chapter. Here's the 2010 ADAS. Here's the section. And now we can compare if there's any difference between California and the national standard. And as you can see, there isn't. Now let's change the different section and just choose 405.2. So here's 405.2. Ramp runs shall have a slope not steeper than 1 in 12. And California, again, 1 in 12. So it's a great tool to use when looking up key terms in a standard code or even doing a comparison in between one or two standards. You can add additional standards, so you're not limited to the amount that you have in here. But the more standards you include, the more you have to filter through and sort out. So The 2018 Illinois Accessibility Code, same section, 405.2. So ramps have to be 8.3, no matter where you're at. National, California, or Illinois. Thanks for watching.